In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add CS code in Wix Studio. We will go through the full process of turning on the coding tools, creating a global CS file, assigning a custom class to an element, and then adding your CS rules so you can style your site more precisely. This is especially useful when you want more control than the standard design settings provide. To begin, open your website inside the Wix Studio editor. Once you are in the editor, look over to the left-hand vertical toolbar and click on the code icon, which appears as curly brackets or a lambda-style symbol depending on the interface. After that, click the Start Coding Manually button near the bottom. This enables developer mode and opens the code panel along with the site's file structure. If you haven't used this area before, don't worry. Think of it as the workspace where Wix Studio lets you add custom code safely and in a more organized way. Next, in the newly opened code panel on the left, click on Page Code. From there, find the CS section and click the option to add global.cs. As soon as you do that, the main code console should expand at the bottom of your workspace. This becomes your text editor, and it's where your CS will be written and managed. Before adding any styling, it's a good idea to create a custom CS class for the exact element you want to target. While it is possible to write CS that affects broader element types, using a custom class helps you avoid accidentally changing every similar element across the entire site. To do this, select the specific element directly on your design canvas. Then move to the inspector panel on the far right side of the screen. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the CS classes field. In the custom classes box, type the name you want to use for that class. Make sure you do not include a period when entering the class name. Then press Enter to apply it. Now go back to the global.cs tab in the editor at the bottom of the screen and write your styling rules there. This is where you will reference the class you just created and add the manual CS code you want to use. As you work, your styling rules will compile instantly within the workspace, which makes it easier to see whether your code is being accepted. Once you are ready to test everything, click Preview in the top right corner of Wix Studio. This is the best way to check interactive transitions, animations, or hover effects before publishing the changes live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.